Well, here we go. Wrapping up a little walk in the blue hour and practicing my harp, and look who hopped out of the grass. Yeah, stepping out. Maybe he liked what I was playing. Yeah, what do you think about that? That was Creedence Clearwater, Run Through the Jungle. And you're running through the jungle, getting on the concrete here. Concrete jungle. Let's see if you're gonna move a bit. I gotta get back. It's getting dark. Okay. Little toad. Here we go. Let's see how close you'll let me get. Do you even know I'm here? Are you ready to launch? You're looking for bugs, I think, in the light, that are attracted to the light. Is that what's up? Let's see. Yeah. You're still as a piece of rock. Yeah. You're not going anywhere, huh? You're not going to be startled by me. You're in freeze mode. I call that fawning. Are you fawning? I'm not going to hurt you. I am Nancy the Nature Girl. I love you. Frog. Fully rely on God. That's what you remind me of. Okay. Come on. Do a little moving for us. Do a little. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, back in the grass. That's what I say. Back in the grass. Back in the grass. There you go. Have a good night. Let's see if we can see you in the grass. Yeah, there you are. All right. Camouflage. Bit camouflaged. Okay, have a good night. Bye now.